India Lengakna Manipur Bumatam Sangna Thawoidana Thamlakpaki Paukum Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Mikhal Miyam na Pire Haina Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency the Mai Paklava Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoizamna Fongdorakli. Ngarang kay samthong na laiba mahak yumda pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada wafam asi fongdoklatuna mahak na hai mamang thakta lamdam asida mai pakiba Mirep Singh Chada kuntra khaktamak bot fanglaga lemhoriba Mirep Singh aduna chada humbudra romgi Changda Fangnarambani, Adubo Handaki Mikalasida bot Hadakiva Punba, Missingi, Chada Yankai Hena bot Fangduna, My Pak Pahibasi, Toina Topa Todok Amanate, Masimak Manipurgi Miam na Tengnariba Awama Dipin the Pakaya, Adugi, Chapsaba Paukumni, Mikalasi Falasi Democracy set Palaipak Amaki Miam na Piba Asima Paukumni Haina, Mark na Fongdoke. Nakal Amaromda, Hausikoi River Lamdamasi Fibamasi Semdoktuna, Chumba Madia Faba, Manipurama Semna Bohonabada, Paumi Sing the Loriba Todang Asiam the Chawi, Paumi Sing the Laipaka Miang, Tabak Toba, Tawai Hakchan Yauna, Akiba Matalatana Chumba Kaktamak Tona Bohona Minasi Hainaso, Mark the Makatake.
I think I am part of the people of Manipur. I think people of Manipur have spoken out. So I think a big kudos to the people of the state. I think in India we have sent a clear message what democracy means. People have spoken out. It's an unprecedented mandate. And as an MP, as a citizen, I feel very proud of this moment. Not because I win as a candidate, but because my state and the people of my state have spoken out that you can't take this state and the people of this state for granted.